In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Right Threads app. And for this, I'll show you how you can get the Right Threads app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so for you to be able to install the Right Threads app, you need to go ahead and find Google Play Store from your Android smartphone and tap on it. Here now, proceed and log in with your Gmail account before you can search for Threads using the search bar here. Or if you can see the search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. So if you tap on this search icon, it will activate the search bar. Now just go ahead and enter Threads like that as one word and tap on search. Now here is the app. Go ahead and open it first to see or to verify the details. So to know that is the right app, make sure it is from Instagram. So you have to note, because this is a product of Meta, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.3 with over 2 million reviews. Currently the file size is 73 MBs, and at the time of recording this, the app had been downloaded over 500 million times. This data might have changed by the time you are watching this. And this is the current logo. And if you see all these details, then you'll know that you have the Right Threads app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install. This will go ahead and download the latest version of Threads app. And finally, it will be installed on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open from here to immediately sign in. Or if you go back to your apps, let's go ahead and open to see the welcoming interface. Here we go. Our app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. This is the welcoming logo. And as you can see, it is from Meta here. So from here, go ahead and sign in. Or you can as well sign in using your Instagram account. So that's how you can install the Right Threads app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.